Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Simply Charnay, where it's simply me being me. And this week I wanted to share my unboxing of my new guitar with you. Well, actually, currently I'm still waiting for the UPS people to deliver it, but until then, I want to tell you why I got into the guitar. So during this whole quarantine situation, I was like, I don't know what to do, so I went in my sister's room, and that's where she had this guitar, which you saw in my second video. And I was like, you know what, I have nothing else better to do, so why not start playing? So I started playing, I practiced a lot, and I was like, you know what, it's time for me to upgrade to a real guitar, which is what I wanted to share with you guys today. So without further ado, I'm presenting my unboxing of my brand new guitar. Guess what just got here? Okay, let's go open this thing up. Oh. I can't. Ooh, okay. So, on go. Okay, let's see how this looks.
Dumb spectacle.
I can't really. Would it be a bad idea to flip it upside down and like lift it off? Oh, okay, good. Oh wow, this is huge. It's not in tune though, obviously. You're gonna have to tune that in a second. This thing is huge. Back with the fully unboxed guitar right here, and as you can tell, this one's very large compared to my old one. I'm just gonna insert a quick little clip so you guys can see like the difference. But yeah, I'm very excited with this, so I'm gonna show you how it sounds. It sounds pretty good, so I'm just gonna play some random chords. Yeah, that's how it sounds. But anyways, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you want to see more of me, and hit that like button and comment down below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.